and it's telling me there'll be better days.
Okay, so today's video is going to be another try-on haul from SHEIN. It's not quite as big as my first SHEIN haul, but I still got a lot of really cute stuff, so let's get right into it. I did get a few jewelry things. Maybe I should just go through them first because there's not that many. Okay, so I got 2 pair of earrings. The first are these adorable pink hearts. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Oh, anything like neon pink in the shape of like a heart or a star, I'm all about. All right, and then the second pair I got, and I'll list all of the products in the description below, and then I will also put the price up on the screen. So next I have these little hoops with a dangling star. Oh my gosh, how adorable. And their jewelry, I mean, everything is inexpensive, but especially their jewelry. Oh, so cute. Okay. And then I got this 2-pack of headbands. So one is silver and the other is rose gold. So, and then they kind of have like a crisscross pattern. Super cute. I like wearing headbands at work, so it just keeps my hair out of my face. And then I got this 2-pack of panties. I wasn't sure how the sizing on these was going to be, so I did get a size larger than I usually do. I got it in an extra large, but these are like some of my favorite types of panties, like with the lace just in the back. So it's pink, and then these are actually really soft, and then a leopard and black pair. Moving right along. Wouldn't be a haul of mine without a bodysuit, now would it? So I got this, it's kind of like a newspaper print bodysuit, and I kept my word to myself, and I was going to order a larger size in bodysuit, so this is in an extra large. It looks kind of big, but we'll have to see how it fits. Okay, so I really love the print of the bodysuit. It is a tiny, tiny bit big, but I'm glad I got the bigger size because it's definitely long enough. It's comfortable. It's not riding up my hoo-hoo, and yeah. Let me get you in a little closer so you can see the print. It's very soft. It does have 3 buttons at the bottom. But yeah, so it definitely runs true to size, so order your normal size in this. Really cute. Alright, next, surprise, surprise, is another bodysuit. Oh my gosh, I saw this and I was like, yes. Yes, queen. So it is like a neon green mesh hooded bodysuit. So let's get her on. What size did I get this in? Yes, an extra large. Well, one time I listened to myself and buy an extra large in bodysuits. They're too big. As you can see, it's like pretty loose around here, but I'm not too worried about it because this one I would probably wear with something more casual, like, you know, just comfortable pants like this. But as far as the bodysuit, like the color and just everything. I love it. Oh, I love it so much. Not that I'm gonna go boxing, but if I did, I would look pretty hot doing it. And then on the side, it says, baby, girl. Oh my gosh, I love it. And this also does snap in the crotch. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling it. All right, next is, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this on. This like Fringe Tank. Oh my gosh. Like the picture online didn't even do it justice. I will be back. No, my cat thinks this is a toy, which it is not. All right, this, oh, probably my favorite thing out of this purchase. I decided to go with some leopard leggings, but I am in love with this. So the top part of it is a ribbed material, and then of course we have the fringe, which is about ankle length on me. And this would look cute with so many different things. A skirt, jeans, whatever your little heart desires. My only suggestion is to put whatever bottoms on first before you put the shirt on, because trying to put the bottoms on after the fringe didn't want to cooperate very well. All right, so next is this Good Vibes t-shirt dress. So I thought this was really cute, you know, casual, and can wear it to run errands or just around the house. Got this in an extra large. Okay, I don't know if I mentioned it, but this shirt I got in a large. So let me go try this dress on and I'll be back. I'm not happy right now. So the reason I got this in an extra large was because I was like, oh, it's a shirt dress. I don't want it to be super tight, but what is this? What the hell is this? I should have just stuck with my sizes. Like, I don't even know. Yeah, I definitely need a large. I'm not sure how their return policy is. Hopefully it's not a pain in the ass, because I think I'm gonna have to exchange this and maybe the green bodysuit for larges, but I'm really frustrated because this is super cute. And here's the back. And the last item is a dress. It is a leopard maxi dress. And what do you know? I actually got it in a large. So let me try this on. Okay, so this dress is cute. It's not the most flattering, and I cannot get this zipper to zip for the life of me. It will fit, like, I know this dress will fit, but this zipper, oh, just kidding, was very difficult to zip. The straps are adjustable, which I appreciate. I had to put them on the longest setting. It's a good length for me. It does have a lining. I don't know, it's just not the most flattering. Maybe with a belt? I'm not sure how I feel about this. I mean, at least it fits though. That's more than I can say for most of the other items I got. But yeah, all right, so those were all the things I got from SHEIN. This time I did place another order, so that will be coming shortly. And if you guys have anything that you would like me to buy and try, let me know in the comments below. I actually want to do like either a Fashion Nova or SHEIN haul where someone else, possibly you guys, pick everything. So just kind of help get me out of my comfort zone. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next time.